Hi everyone, this is the fourth episode of the digital marketing series. It is about 12 on-page SEO techniques, and I am presenting each of these techniques as individual videos. The first of the 12 techniques is about title tags. What are title tags and how to write a powerful and effective title tag. This is part of the Digital Marketing 101 series. I will be sharing more digital marketing strategies, information, and tips in future videos. So remember to subscribe and get notified whenever I upload a new episode. The title tag is the title that you give for each page on your website. It is one of the most powerful on-page ranking factors and can influence whether your web page appears on the search results and also how high it will rank on these search results. It can also influence clickability, and that is whether people will click on the search result link. According to Moz, title tags have long been considered one of the most important on-page SEO elements. They further explain that title tags are the second most important on-page factor for SEO after content. In a previous video that I did mention that content is king and it is the most powerful factor, most important thing you should look at when you do SEO. And so here you go. Title tags help spiders or search bots to know what the main topic of a web page is all about, what any given page on your site is about in the most concise and accurate way possible. Here we see an example of a title tag. It's one of my web page on my website, and it's ranked on the first page. As you can see, the title is Web Talk Review, Scam or Legit. So here you can see, right, with this title tag, I'm telling the search bots that the web page is all about a review of a product named Web Talk, and I will review if it is a scam or a legitimate product. This helps Google, and as such it is important for Google to understand your title tag. This is so that they can rank your page visibility in the SERPs, the search engine results page. And most important of all, your title tag will show up as the blue link in the search engine results, like what you've seen just now, right? So here is a very important tip for all of you. The title tag is the text that most people will read on search engine results. I'm sure you do it too, right? When you look at the search engine results, you look only at the title text first. So it is the first thing that people will look at when they look at the list of the search results before they read the meta text. And the reason why you look at the title text first is because it's a big part in your decision-making process, whether you want to click on that link and that result or not. So here are some tips on how to write a powerful and effective title tag. You need that in order to get more clicks on the links in your search results, right? And also to get you need to get better search engine ranking. So the first tip is to use keywords in the title tag. Target a primary keyword, and then make sure that your title tag contain these keywords. Ideally, place the keywords closer to the start of the title tag, and this will enable it to be, more likely to rank for that keyword based query. Yeah. Okay. Another thing to consider is to include a long tail keyword. Long tail keywords have been known to be easier to rank. Yeah, but of course you need a keyword research tool to decide that. Next, the title tag must be relevant to the content. So make sure that the title tag, the title is relevant to the content of that page. The title tag of that web page must also summarize the content of that page. It must reflect the topic that's in mind, and the title tag must reflect that. This will make it easier for Google's crawlers to index such web pages, because they can quickly look at the title tag and find out what this web page is all about and if it's related to a user's search query. Next, it is good to make the title tag interesting and unique. So look at what's unique about your content and tell people about it. Write something interesting to attract their attention. Another tip is to use local and national keywords. This is to include the geographic location. And this is extremely important, especially for local businesses that have physical retail locations. By including the geographic location, you can target customers from a specific area or region. Including the geographic location will also make it clear to the search engines as well as people searching about your location. For example, your state, county, city, borough, district, or neighborhood. If your company name is not part of the important key phrase, that means it's not critical to the key phrase itself, then you can put it at the end of the title tag. You may even choose not to put it in at all. Each page needs its own unique title tag. Please do not have duplicate titles that are present on other pages, right? Write unique title tags. Do your keyword research. Find keywords that are different, even though sometimes your content may be quite similar, yeah? Okay, because every user comes to the website with particular needs and requirements in mind. So you need to write the title to fulfill that need or requirement. As such, don't use one title tag for more than one page. The crawlers also must not find the same title tag on more than one page. If they do, then you will be heavily penalized for putting up what is considered as duplicate content. There's a limit to the title tag characters. Some say 55, some say the limit is 70. So give it that range, yeah? And it includes spaces. So when you write, remember to use keywords, but write wisely. Most have reported that Google typically shows 60 characters of the title tag. So if your title tag is 60 characters or less, you can expect that the title will appear on the search result link. But if it's small, it will get truncated. Some additional tips I can give you is don't use special characters like the $sign, percentage, the @ symbol, etc. And also please remember, don't use call to action in the title tag like call now or buy now. It is seen as an aggressive form of marketing by Google and other search engines. So now that you've learned about title tags, do you have any questions? If you do, let me know in the comments below. In my next video, I will share about another on-page SEO technique, and that is meta description. So remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.